Aaron's filming. Zach's helping me drag my water heater.
I got the best job ever.
Okay guys, just so you know, this water heater weighs like 185 or 200 pounds, so that should give you a better appreciation for how heavy this is and how much force it took to get it as high as it went in the sky. I mean, it was unbelievable.
This is like the... Oh crap. Anyway, that's what we're working on. We're trying to drag it over the shoulder, whatever that thing is. Okay. Here we've got this Dimetized 100% whey tannerite. We're guessing this is 15 to 18 pounds. It's heavy. Oh boy, you got that on there tight. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to partially bury that right here underneath the water heater standing upright. And we're going to try to send this thing at least, not to the moon, to the ionosphere maybe?
Milky Way?
Sure, okay. There we go. There's Aaron taking pictures, so here we go. Okay, so we're going to get up there on that ridge.
Okay, so we're
going to shoot at an angle down to here. You can see we got the protein container buried right there. We're just going to see what happens here. I think this is going to be, I hope it doesn't disappoint.
It was right here.
All right, so we're up on top of this hill. About to shoot down. Hit the water heater down there, right there. Got some sniper action from up here in the rocks.
Holy crap!
No way!
Oh my goodness!
What do you think about that? I've never witnessed an explosion that big.
I wish I had my camera setting on how to set it. That was fun.
Holy guacamole!
Where'd the fridge go? Okay, I think we win. Out here. There's no one's gonna top that. No way!
Oh my goodness.
What do you think about that? Look how it, dude, look how it rolled the metal up. Look at the bottom, it's rolled.
Because that was the bottom of it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look, it's completely rolled up.
What is the little tingling sound?
I don't know what that sound is. Is it dripping or something in there? Or is that the sound of the metal just
I don't know.
being completely wigged out?
Oh.
It's all stressed. Wow, look at that. So much pressure came up inside that, it blew the end of the valve out and the pipe off.
I think the foam is still reacting.
I think it's inside.
It sounds like it's inside. I don't know what it is.
Dude, that thing got so annihilated.
Is it dripping?
No.
Oh.
We can't, we have no idea what's going on in there.